Greetings fellow pagan pals, Bellarosa here, and the full corn moon is approaching, so let's channel all that energy for our rituals and spell work into some delicious corn milk. The recipe I use is listed below. I'm having the recipe, and also the recipe calls for cow's milk, but I'm using hemp milk instead. I have a half a cup of shelled hemp seeds. I blended with about 2.5 cups of water. Use more water for a thinner milk. Strain the milk with a nut milk bag, and make sure you use a bowl big enough to hold your milk. Whoa, making a mess. Moving on to shucking our corn, I'm using 2 ears of corn and keeping a bowl aside to put the husk. Corn husk can be used to make corn dolls. It can be placed at the entrance of your home to bring in good luck. Use it to decorate your altar to honor harvest gods and goddesses, and even make it into a braid to manifest positive change into your life. So save the corn husk. I have a pie plate with a napkin folded in the middle to keep the cob steady while I cut the kernels off. Puree the kernels with a little milk to get the blender going, and now we're ready to make our corn milk. In a medium pot, place cinnamon sticks, the corn puree, milk, sugar. I'm using a scant half cup of sugar and a pinch of salt, and bring it all to a boil over medium-high heat while constantly stirring, and then reduce the heat to medium-low and stir until the mixture thickens, which takes about 15 minutes. Use this time to work on your kitchen magic. With this beautiful milky liquid, the full corn moon is practically staring back at you. Whether it's protection or healing magic you're creating here, pour your intentions into the cauldron and tap into the great wisdom of the full corn moon. Have some drumming music playing in the background to focus your mind on creating your spell. I decided to go in with a stick blender to make sure that the consistency is nice and smooth. The more it sets, the thicker it becomes, so consider serving this hot. I'm going to freeze it and add more milk to thin it out later, but still serve it warm. The taste is oh so delicious, like liquid rice pudding, and if you're looking for a way to expand your witchery, then brew this bubbly treat for the upcoming full corn moon. Subscribe now, become a pagan pal, like up this video, and I'll see you next time for another episode of My Pagan Pal Crafts and such. Bye!